Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of interesting animals. Giganotosaurus had 3-fingered hands with sharp claws, long legs and clawed feet. Its jaws were large enough to swallow an adult human whole. It was a descendant of Allosaurus from the Jurassic period. Amargosaurus. Notice the 2 rows of spines growing out along its backbone along the neck section. Amargosaurus walked on 4 legs. Each foot had 5 toes, including a thumb claw. It had a small head, a long neck, and a very long tail. Jaguar. You can always tell it's a jaguar from a leopard because there's a spot in the middle of the rosettes. T-Rex lives up to its reputation as one of the most fearsome animals of all time. Its powerful jaw had 60 teeth, each one up to 20 centimeters or 8 inches long. The T-Rex hatchling is just coming out of its shell. Can you tell me how many legs does a crab have? Mammoth and Calf. A mammoth is a large extinct elephant of the Pleistocene epoch, typically hairy with a sloping back and long curved tusks. The Brahman Cow and Calf. It's a breed of zebu cattle. They are native to India, such beautiful animals. The Orca or killer whale. They work in groups to catch prey. These groups are called pods. The great white shark, one of the most fearsome sharks ever. The Hammerhead Shark lives in tropical and temperate oceans. It has a flattened blade-like extension on either side of the head, with the eyes and nostrils placed at or near the ends. Hank the orange octopus. The blue crab has 10 legs. The dromedary camel is an Arabian camel. It's a large, even-toed ungulate with 1 hump on its back. Albino Burmese python. What a beautiful snake, although it might have a bit of trouble with camouflage. The macaw with its bright colours, red, yellow and blue. A yellow and pink Spinosaurus and a purple and yellow Triceratops. The Okapi. Its closest relative is the giraffe. Alpaca and Cria. They are farmed for their beautiful fibre, which is much like wool. The grizzly bear is the great brown bear of North America. Special hello to Nathaniel and Kaidai. Thank you for all your wonderful comments. Tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.